Hello everyone, welcome to Chill Review Guy. I'm going to be installing the screen protector on my camera. This is a tempered glass I got from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below so you can check it out. Let's get to it. So in this kit, you get a set of 3 of each in it. So I'll show you. So you get 3 screen protectors, and you get the instruction manual. There's 3 guide stickers, along with the dust absorber sticker as well. And you get 3 of each. So you get the wipes. One is a wet wipe and one is a dry wipe. So to get started, you want to take the screen protector out and you want to align it on the screen. You want to put the back sticker facing the screen, because that's the side you're going to peel. And you want to make sure it's lined up just right. So in the manual, in the box, they have it showing that you put the sticker on the glass, and I'm going to do it a different way. I'm going to be using the sticker to make like a hinge, so I can just keep the screen open like that. And then once I'm done with cleaning the screen, I'm just going to flip it over and just peel it off. So let's line it first. Alright, take sticker 1. Okay. So you can use cello tape if you want for extra strength. So I'm going to use some cello tape. It's not sticking too well for me, so another piece. There you go. So it's more stable now. So I'm going to start with the cleaning. So you want to take the first wipe, the number 1, which is the wet wipe. Okay, so make sure you clean the surface properly. Like so. And then we're going to take up the second wipe, which is the dry wipe. Make sure you get all the corners and all the edges. Make sure you don't see any streaks. So before we peel the sticker off the protector, I'm going to do the dust absorbing sticker. You just want to make sure that there's no fibers on the screen. So once the screen is all cleaned and dried, we're going to peel the sticker off and just flip it over onto the screen. Like that. And you just want to start pushing in. So once it's stuck on, you can peel the stickers out. So you want to make sure that there's no air bubbles. So just take a cloth and just press on through. Make sure it's stuck on all the corners. So I don't see any air bubbles, so we did a good job. As you can see, we did a good job. No air bubbles. Perfect. All corners are in. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And stay tuned for more. See ya.